Hello and welcome. Here we have an HR140 outdoor unit which is booting up at the moment, but we will see at the end it will not be able to move. So it's still booting up, and you notice the camera is upside down because somebody put it in hanging mode. Okay. The unit goes in a kind of standby, which is not normal. I can push the button for a long time just to try to power it. It will do it again. It tries to, but you see the camera is not in the normal position. It's upside down, like it is in hanging mode, and that's what happened. Somebody changed the menu setting to hanging mode, but this unit also has physical pins to set. If this condition does not match, the unit will go into kind of safety mode. So it's green, but I cannot move the unit. So it's like it's broken, but it's not. One thing we can do, oh, it still tries to move a little bit. Anyway, so it moved on and on, but at the end we cannot control the unit even if it's green. This is because the unit detected a mismatch between the menu setting and the physical setting, so and it doesn't want to work. How can we get out of this condition? Two ways. First of all, we can try by the camera OSD menu. I need to switch my screen to OSD, yes. Then we go into system, then we select others. Of course, you can also do by the web browser if you want, and you see it's hanging. I will go back to desktop and reboot the unit, and then it should be fine. Let us try to reboot. So I switched off the on and off the power. Unit is still booting. Now camera is coming to the normal side. So now the top is on top. Orange, so it's power off. I pushed the button for a long time. This is because I changed the mode. Now power on. Let's see. Yes, we can move. Great. Because other thing I want to show you. So this is one way to get out of this situation. If the unit doesn't want to move, change the position in the menu in system other from if it's in hanging to desktop, or is in desktop, go to hanging and reboot the unit and see if it works. Then you know the pin setting is wrong. Next step, I will show you the physical pin setting. So the pins are located on the side. If you look down here, there is a little door. We will open that, and there are two pins. Why do we need to change the pin setting when we're going from desktop to hanging? Because if this unit is in hanging mode, the camera will flip over and look the other side, but the other side must then come here. So we need to do a more than 360-degree twist. You say under 80, but the camera must be able to do more than 360-degree twist. Now, if we let it do that freely, it will kill itself because then it can rotate forever and it will strangle its own cable management inside the camera. So we just set the direction forward or backward, but because it's opposite, it's becoming forward again by setting two pins. I will switch to the little camera, and here we see the switch door. Okay, what do we need? An Allen key of 3 mm to open that little door. This door is not dangerous for water intrusion, so the water protection is not at that area. Then once we remove the door, sorry, my little camera cannot give a perfectly sharp image, but we see this two small alley screws, so 1.5 millimeter, and they hold the pin. One is up and the other is down. So if you want to change direction, I need to move the camera a little bit. We unscrew. So now we remove the screw and we can drop the pin to the down position and lock it. Oh, it's still in the upper position, down position. Down position. And the other screw we put, in the up position. So in the beginning, this one was up and this was down. Now we reversed, this one is down and this one is up. The second mode, so down up, is for hanging mode, and the original mode, this one up and this one down, is for desktop mode. So you need to change those pin position together with the menu setting, and if you don't do that, the unit will, after rebooting, refuse to move because it detects there is a mismatch between menu and the physical setting. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.